Good morning, friends. This is Lady Flora, by the grace of God, a working homeschooling mom of 3. We are eclectic, classical unschoolers who love arithmetic, storytelling, literature, and self-expression of all types. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, you should subscribe. The red ribbon in our advent calendar today led us to the fridge where we had our gingerbread house kit that we got from Ikea. And I've been very excited to put this together, and so has my daughter, so today was the day.
We need an egg white, but we don't have an egg white, so we plan to go over to the other neighbor's house to find an egg white.
Hello. I'm sorry to bother you. I was wondering if I could borrow an egg. Do you have an egg?
Egg?
Yeah,
Just one?
just one. Thank you.